Alright, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So I'm actually in the parking lot of the gym. I'm about to go get a good workout. See, I like to wear my heavy clothes them. I know some people are saying, why am I wearing them heavy clothes there in Florida I live? It's like 100 degrees outside today because I like sweat when I go work out. So I put on a shirt and a hoodie. Anyways, none of that. I got Dear SouFlo thing where it goes like this. A lady said, Dear SouFlo, I've been married for 5 years. Let me see what it said. It says I've been married for 5 years and I've been cheating for 4 months. That's what the lady said. And she said the reason why she's been cheating for 4 months is because nothing she says to her husband, or she says nothing that happens in the bedroom is of her request. None of her requests is being met in the bedroom. Only whatever her husband says goes. So she's basically not allowed to speak her mind. She's not allowed to tell him, say, turn me this way. She's not allowed to tell him, say, turn me that way. She's not allowed to tell him, say, try this now, or make we try that now, because he's offended half of the time if she tells him anything like, say, it's damaging his manhood, or it's insulting to him, or she talk down on him like him no know what him a do and all that. And then when he's turned off, she says nothing happens. Like him will just roll over and go sleep. If she suggests something, he get turned off to the point where he just rolls over in the middle of. You know when storm a get ready for blow, and you know say Johnny turn up, and you know say mama ready for her something, and then because she gonna make a little suggestion and go from her back to our belly and said do it from the way ya, the man just go I said yeah, me good, me alright, like that. So she's not allowed to say anything. So me I wonder to myself now, 5 years of this she put up with, you know, it's always been like this from the beginning. So me asked her, I said why put up with it so long? You know, she said she loved him and she thought that it would work, because you know people are when relationships start, right? When relationships start, everybody act like they want to do the other one's best wishes. I'm the perfect person for you kind of thing. See? But she realized that as time went by that it not change. I just saw him steer, and anything she suggests is not gonna get played. So none of your record them now spinning at the party only theme and she must dance to his music. I want to hear what women think about this. I'm going to say what I think, of course. And I know that, yes, she is a subscriber to SouFLoTV. She's actually one of my avid viewers. And I don't know if she's hoping that her husband sees this or something. I don't know. But there are other men out there who could learn from this, right? And I know you're probably going to go away and say, SouFlo don't know what my woman need, and me know what my woman need, and all these things. Alright. Now keep that video here short because I want to work out. If you're doing everything right and your woman is happy, she might not suggest anything. So for those of you who are doing the right things and your woman don't have to tell you anything, or she not suggesting anything, you know, sometimes silence is deadly, you know, because sometimes they realize that you're the kind of person they can't say anything to, so them just go along with the flow. Or sometimes you're doing a good job where she doesn't have to say anything. You know, me take stock. I ask, as a man, I ask question. Me ask wifey, like, am I doing everything good? Like, are you enjoying yourself? Are you being pleasured? Do you need me to do anything different? Rara. How come you never like instruct me or tell me if you do this or tell me if you do that? Because we used to be open with each other and talk to each other, me and my wife, and talk to each other like what I like, and do it this way and do that way. So after I got into the groove of what she likes and started, you know me, I say, supplying the demand, then she went silent on the demands, on the what I need, and me went silent with her too on the what I need, because she just know what me need, and me just know what she need. Now if anything new comes up and you want to try nothing new, I'm all open for it. You have to be that kind of person. I tell people all the time like this: if you're in a relationship and you want to play the monogamous game, it's a game. You want to play the monogamous game, then hey, there are rules that come along with the monogamous game. Why? Because in monogamy, you're expecting this one person to be everything, or you're expected, listen to me, or you're expected to go without all the things that this one person refuses to provide or refuses to even try. See? Now, you know, if you like things a certain way and this person has said, nah, it's like going to your favorite restaurant but you can't get your favorite food there. You see what I mean? I say, being in love with somebody and being in a monogamous relationship and then not getting your needs fulfilled is like going to your favorite restaurant but not being able to get your favorite food there. Yeah, they have some dishes there that you might like and enjoy. I mean, I talk Nyam Crutches talk, I'm just saying. They have some dishes there, I'm drawing a parallel. They have some dishes there you might like and enjoy, but you're looking to have your favorite meal at your favorite restaurant. You understand what I say? And then you will leave your favorite restaurant fully satisfied. So monogamy is like that. If you put yourself in one of those places or those religion, institutions, one of those relationships, you have to be your partner's one-stop shop. To her, man, I would say, and to any man that's like this, where you don't allow the woman to express what she needs, wants, how you should do it to her and all these things, explore herself with you, you're creating an uncomfortable environment. And I can tell you right now, I bet you said the thing way better when she is absolutely comfortable with you and her guards are down. You see, if a woman feel like say, I can't do this with him, I can't say that with him, I can't say this with him, there are inhibitions. She gonna put up walls. That's why they have a saying that says every woman have a freak in her, an absolute boss will go wild freak, but it takes a certain kind of man to unlock it. You know what I say? How you feel knowing that you're with your woman, your wife of how many years, and you've never been that man to unlock that? You just sit down there, thinks that she a church girl and she not do nothing. It's just missionary every day for her and she good for the rest of her life. You idiot. You're gonna be in problems. You see what I say? Me don't care if she's saved and sanctified and holy, she a freaking her, and you can unlock it, but you have to be open. You have to hear, listen, and be open to her expressing how she feels and how she wants it. It can't be just you, bro. You can't just be in there talk about turn over, so put you over there, so junk up yourself over here, so ray with our foot them there, so yeah with our leg them here, so you can't be that. And then where's the satisfaction for her? Where's the satisfaction for her? You want the woman move like she a machine to your pleasure, right? But where's the satisfaction for her? It's not going to work. This lady says she never feels satisfied with her husband. Again, I ask, why go 5 years long before you say anything? And now it's come to the point where you've been cheating for months, 4 months, and you're thinking about leaving and all these things because them no want to listen. It is what it is. And that's how them relationship reach. I hope her husband actually sees this and said, blood cleat, you know, so that sound like he's talking about me. You know, so that sound like he's talking about us, because I never really asked my wife. And for all the other men who are watching this, try it. Try it and see what I say. Ask her. Ask her if you're doing a good job. It's okay, man. It's okay if she say, yeah, but... And ladies, be nice. Don't just say, no, I'm not like it that way there. You pop down and I'm not like how you do. Nobody, because man ego fragile, you know. So you have to take time with me sometimes. But for the men who ask, you shall receive. Alright? Let's leave this one right here. Big up on yourself. I'm going to go in there and get a good workout. Come back out. It's my daughter's weekend, birthday weekend. My baby girl is 2 years old. Please continue to leave the happy birthdays to her. For those who have them gym membership, for those who have their channel memberships, big up to you. We've actually discovered now how to go live with some festive lives but only the people who have their membership paid to the channel can actually participate in those lives. We figured it out this morning, and it was a festive morning with over 1,000 people on the live. So we getting somewhere with it. All right, now watch your face. Manners and respect to each and every one of you. I'm out. Big people something. Peace.